Welcome back, guys. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. If you can hear me, please let me know that, okay? And with this risk disclaimer, I would love to clear something at the beginning. I'm new in gold chart, okay? This is a very new chart for me, and I need some more times. This is the fourth day. I am just trying to cope up with this gold chart, so I hope that you will understand my fault over here. I'm not so confident over here, okay? So I'm also learning, but yeah, I'm doing the live streaming, so I should not do it, but yeah, I'm doing it. So please keep that in your mind. I'm new in this chart and I can be wrong most of the time. Okay, I'm not so confident over here because of gold chart is extremely new for me, and I need to work more work for my stop loss placement and the entry. So that's the beginning of the streaming. If you can hear me, please let me. Oh, okay, you can hear me. Thank you, George. Oh, and good morning, brother. Rogan, good morning, brother. Uh, Richard, boom, bro. Thank you, brother. So that's the beginning of the stream. I hope that you'll understand. Okay, this is the 50-minute fair value gap for dollar index. 50-minute fair value gap. Price came here yesterday, trade that 50-minute fair value gap. Now it is falling. I believe that it will fall at least until this last fair value gap. But below this last fair value gap, I have this obvious liquidity. This low has taken by that low, which is called obvious liquidity because of the shallow run. I have this sell side liquidity over here. I have more liquidity around there, more liquidity here, below here. I have a lot of sell side liquidity. So I believe that market will go for that sell side liquidity. That's my belief. If I go to daily chart, you can see this is the daily chart, and that was that order block. I thought that market can reach until that order block. Instead of that, it reached until the end of this daily fair value gap. So this is the daily fair value gap low. This is the daily fair value gap high. So price has reached until the daily fair value gap low, sorry, high, and it's showing me some kind of reaction to the down way. Okay, from the daily chart, I have this extreme sell side liquidity. I believe that market will go for that sell side liquidity. I'm not bullish until this fair value gap is broken perfectly. This bearish fair value gap. When it will be broken, then I'll be bullish, and this buy side liquidity will be my target. Until then, I'm bearish, but yeah, it could reach until this order block or the mean threshold of that consecutive order block. Any of this level can be triggered before falling. I'm absolutely okay with that. If I go to hourly chart, so from hourly chart, look at this, all the liquidity you have over here, and market has traded around that area. Now it is falling from hourly chart. If it go below this low, that will be a perfect market structure shift, and that will be more confident for me to think that market is actually falling. So if this low is broken, let me mark this low with displacement. With displacement, if this low is broken, I will think that market is coming for this sell side liquidity. Until now, from dollar index chart, it's 50-50. It can go higher now, it can go lower now. From 15-minute chart, so far it's a bearish movement, and yeah, market market can go for this sell side liquidity. So I am overall bearish for dollar index. So I'm bullish for gold. I would love to see that market will go higher. Now, what do I have in gold? Here is the gold daily chart, and you can see this is the shallow run. This high has taken by that high, which is called the shallow run or the obvious liquidity. So this is the obvious liquidity. This is minus 1.5 standard deviation over here. There is standard deviation, and let me delete it. Price came here, take the liquidity. This is the market structure shift. This high has been shifted over there. So this is called market structure shift. After shifting the market structure, this down close candle has traded this bullish parallel gap, perfectly rejected from the constant crossman, went higher, come back again. This is the high or the opening, which is called the order block. This is the 50% or the 50% of the order block, which is called min threshold. Okay, so far market reach until this min threshold. It's a good place for reversal, this min threshold. If I go to hourly chart, from hourly chart you can see market reach until that area. Now can it reverse from here? I need to be sure, I need to see that, I need some confirmation that will tell me okay, market is now going higher. How, what type of uh, confirmation? First, if I see a displacement toward the buy side, that is kind of confirmation. If it keep going lower, I guess I will mark the, I will target this daily fair value gap again. Initially I'm not interested, okay, but yeah, if it keep falling, maybe I will change my mind. So far I'm leaving this min threshold. This line is from daily chart, daily order block min threshold. I'm believing that this min threshold will hold the price and send it back for the buy side liquidity. Now I have a lot of buy side liquidity around here. All of this relatively equal highs. You can see this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. This is that 1 minus 1.5 standard deviation. This is the extreme high or the all-time high. I'm not convinced yet that market has fallen. Market has made the buy side, it has taken the buy side liquidity yet because of that daily shallow run. From 15-minute chart, you can see this is relatively very clean highs. Over here, very clean highs. So yeah, uh, right now I'm just waiting for some kind of confirmation that will tell me that market is going higher, and that is this type of bull run. Okay, I need a candle like this that will tell me okay, market is actually going higher. Let me make sure. Yeah, so this is the pre-market analysis or something. I'm waiting for 3 p.m. Oh, okay, so 3 p.m. sorry, 3 a.m. has already passed. If I get some kind of higher market structure shift, maybe I will start to look for a buy. I'm not interested to look for sell, but if it keep falling, I will do nothing. Okay, I will just keep doing nothing. I will just watch the price. If any of you are trading gold, any of you trading gold professionally or every single day, like I do Nasdaq. So if you do like gold, brother, my advice is please do your own trade. Okay, don't follow me. I'm extremely new to this gold chart, so I believe that you should not follow me. Okay. Morning, Richard. Thanks for joining, brother. Golden John, GJ. Good morning, brother. How are you? I'm not sir. Okay. My request is don't call me sir. I'm not sir. I'm your brother. Call me brother or just call me by my name. Okay. Just by my name. That's all. Just don't call me sir or boss, something like that. I don't like that, to be honest. 2374 15 minute 2374 market structure shift. Brother, can you tell me the candle time? It's better, it's easier for me to mark the candle if you tell me which candle you are talking about. For example, if you are talking about this candle, it's appeared around 23:45. So yeah, please tell me the time. It will be easier for me to mark the exact candle which you are looking for. Good morning, Ravi. How are you, brother? By the way, it is extremely bearish. So as it is extremely bearish, I just can't go for buy. But still, I had this fair value gap from 15-minute chart, a bullish fair value gap. But if you were with me yesterday in my live streaming for Nasdaq, I told that how to look for buy around that area. If I get a higher market structure shift, I'll go for buy. Otherwise, I don't have anything to do. The reason is I don't have any sell side liquidity around that area. Okay. Now here, this is also the relatively equal lows which has market made around that area. Here, this is also called the sell side liquidity, not a clean sell side liquidity, but that can be triggered. I am not interested for that sell. If Any of you love to go for sale, please go for that. I don't see anything that will tell me that brother you can go for sale, so I'm not interested to go for sale, because this mean threshold of daily order block is still giving me the hype to think I'm gonna hold the price, send it back for the buy sell liquidity. So I'm gonna leave this mean threshold and I will see. Okay, I'm not just interested to take sell right now, we will see. So I need more confirmation from dollar index and from gold. Both of the chart has to give me the confirmation that it is falling or it is going higher. Right now market is trading this last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. Let me mark it. Let's see if it can hold the price or it went through this price. Below this last parabolic gap I have another last parabolic gap over here. So until this parabolic gap is not broken, I'm not thinking that market is going to fall. First I need to see that this is broken. When it is broken, then maybe I will start to think, okay, maybe now, maybe market is going for this sell side liquidity. 1230 candle, 1230, 1230, 1230. Is that valid for market structure? No, it's not valid for shifting market structure. It's this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. Good morning, Sergey. Jonathan Candle, yeah, I got you. 777 777 trading team. How are you, brother? Been long, I didn't see your name. Look at future gold. We have perfect obvious sell side liquidity. Well, this is not a gentleman market. This market is different broker to broker. Now I am using here forex.com, which is kind of perfect for me. Okay, so that's why I'm using uh, uh, forex.com. So if you mark right XAU USD, see this forex.com over here. This forex.com actually provide little precise price action. That's why I'm using this one. Okay, now which one you are talking about? Future gold. I don't know what is that, but whatever price action I'm seeing from this forex market, I'm going to believe that. Now as I told you at the beginning of my stream, I'm very new to this gold chart. Maybe later I will change this platform forex.com, maybe. Okay, I'm not sure yet, but until it convinced me that it's not precise, I would love to stay in this area. Okay, over here. Thanks for that, penguin brother. You will keep using gold, you will not switch to GC or MGC? Actually I don't know. What do you think, guys? I mean, whoever actually trade the gold, what do you think? GC or MGC are more precise comparing with XAU USD? I mean, just let me know that. Okay, which one is precise, because I told you that I'm new here, so I need information from you guys. I'm not a gold trader, I'm just started to analyze this chart. So tell me, GC or MGC? I guess micro and E-mini. The GC is E-mini and MGC is micro, I guess. Okay. So which one is more precise? Whoever actually trade the gold, give me the information. If you don't trade the gold, don't tell me that that market is more precise. Please don't tell me that. Whoever trading gold for long, tell me which one is more precise. This gold, this chart or GC chart? Yeah. Well, it's absolutely a different kind of price action. Absolutely a different kind of price action. Guys, I really don't know the whoever are the gold trader, okay, which chart they use for their gold trade. Perfectly different uh price action. I told before, future GC has one price in all brokers. Gold has different price from broker to another. Okay, so you think I should keep this chart, right? Jonathan, are you there? Because you trade gold for so long. Jonathan, no, I didn't ask for the broker, because broker I will use forex.com. That's for sure, because mm, forex.com is the most precise price action. It provides the most precise price action. I'm just asking which one is good, GC or gold? What do you trade? You guys trade, okay? Use future price as companies playing with spread. Keep futures GC. Okay, I guess Jonathan is not here. So PS4, you are trading GC, and Jack T, you are also trading GC, brother. I mean gold. If you guys have the experience, then yeah, I will stay over here. But please make sure that you trade gold. So the is Comex. Okay, perfect. Yes, I trade gold. Use this chart. Oh, okay. Then thank you, guys. I mean, I'm sorry because I am new here. Okay, so I didn't know that. So I will see the price action from here. Well, it's absolutely a different price action. Perfect different price action. I have clean sell side liquidity here. Well, looking at this chart is absolutely different. Okay, to be honest, I have now this sell side liquidity, though it's been taken with a shallow run. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I guess I will use this one. It is much more cleaner comparing with that chart. It's thousand times cleaner. মা হাত খুইলো না, ঠিক আছে? খুলছো? দেখি কতটুকু কাটছে। দেই দেই দেই। দেখছি। অত কিছু হবে না। বায়োটিন ওই যে গুঁড়োটা না, গুঁড়োটা দাও ওই জায়গা। তুলোমুলো দিয়ে লাগবে না, গুঁড়াটা দাও। তাহলে ওই জায়গায় বাইন্ধে নাও, পানি যেন না লাগে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। না, বায়োটিন দাও, বায়োটিন দিয়ে তুলো দাও, তুলো দিয়ে বান্ধো, বাইন্ধে ওর উপর দিয়ে পানি দিয়ে, হাত দিয়ে পানি দিয়ে মাছেও করবা, সব দুবা। ওইটুকু শুধু মাছেও করবা যেন ওই জায়গায় পানি না লাগে। আগে বায়োটিন দেবা, ওই গুঁড়োটা, গুঁড়োটা কই? এই যে এই যে এই যে, দে এদিকে আসো। ব্যথা আছে? হুম। পড়বে কেন? এবার তুলো দিয়ে বাইন্ধে দাও। আমার কাছে আসো, আমি বাইন্ধে দিচ্ছি। এদিকে আসো। তো আনো তো, এক গজ নিয়ে আসো, ন্যাকড়ানো লাগবে না। Guys, can you please give me 5 minutes? Just my mother just cut her finger. I need to just bandage the finger. Okay, I'm just coming back. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I'm back. She was just cutting some vegetable and cut her finger. Okay, not huge, but still, you know. uh, the moms, they don't care about their health. Okay, it's really so bad. They don't care about their health. Ah, what I was talking, I forgot. Okay, so far I'm just observing this parallel gap. If it can hold it and give me the market structure shift to our upper side, maybe I'll look for a buy. We'll see. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is yesterday. Where is my line? Okay, this is yesterday. If you remember the 188.75, something like that. Okay, Nvidia just sent the price until that. Boom. That was awesome thing, and market is still going. So my next target is here, 17696.50. Sorry, 19696.50. That's my next target for Nasdaq. I mean, it can reach until that area, but at the same time, I'm absolutely careful about the 50% of this line and that line. So the 50% is actually this line. It can be a reversal point as well, or the last all-time high. It can be the last all-time high as well. So this is the 50%. Let me mark it the 50% as well. So between these two lines, this is the 50%. How random, right? It was fun. Like yesterday, Nvidia was fun. This is the only swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. So without this high, I'm not convinced to mark my market structure shift, and I will do nothing except waiting. I will do nothing. Bro, add the gold and some hashtags in description. Good for YouTube algorithm maybe. Okay, I will do that. I will do that. Thanks for that idea, brother. I will do that. Now gold is also going high. What a situation, man. Gold is also going high. This guy is also going higher. Both of them are at the same direction. I just can't take my buy over here because I didn't get the market structure shift. So I am not able to take the buy. Even if it works, I am unable to take the buy from this entry fair value gap because I didn't get the market structure shift. So yeah, that's all. Overall, so far it's not a good price action from the starting of 2 p.m. or sorry 2 a.m. London time, starting of the London to until now. So far it's not a good price action. So I believe that we will get a good price action. I have this clean sell side liquidity around that area. I have lot of buy side liquidity here. This is all the buy side liquidity. Here all the area, this is the consolidation, though it's not clean buy side liquidity, but here I have some buy side liquidity on that area. Let's see where market go. If you ever see two-sided run, I mean there is some kind of obvious buy side liquidity, there is some kind of obvious sell side liquidity, you should avoid trading. Who is actually trade gold, tell me what is your thinking, where market is going, just tell me, give me your idea brother, I need your idea. I'm also learning like you guys, okay? So give me your idea guys. I'll have to think like you guys. How do you think about gold and when you should look for buy? What you are looking for right now? Are you looking for buy or sell? What is your expectation right now from the market? I need to know that. So please let me know that. It's now and middle and buy and sell. Oh, okay, so it's now middle. Pretty to use silver for SMT. I have seen some guys use it. SMT I don't like brother, because for SMT I need lot of information. Now I have only one monitor, though I have another laptop, but I don't want to open the chart. It's a very hassle, okay? So for SMT I need multiple monitor. That's so simple. But over here I have just one monitor, so I can't use SMT. And SMT is not a easy thing. You need a lot of things. You have to understand which one is six seater and which one is the strongest sister between the pair, or the fair market or the asset. A lot of information you need it. So I just can't open the chart and use the SMT for my direction. I can't do that by my one monitor. But thanks for that advice as well. I miss you. By the way, name is awesome. I miss you. What's up? T2 catching you on London session. Hey, seek for wisdom. Been long. I didn't see you, sister. Julie, sell. How are you, Julie? Goal hits all the gaps, then boom. Oh, okay, so you are looking for sell. Okay, your ICT theory is for universal use. Absolutely, brother. It is for universal, but manipulation is different. That means the theory is cool, it should reject from this parallel gap, it's cool, but this run can go little higher, it will reject from this parallel gap, I know that, but it can go little higher, the wick can do little more damage. So you have to be well known with your chart, what is the manipulation of that chart. For example, if it was the Nasdaq, I could simply guess how far this high can go, because I'm used to that chart. This gold market can be little more manipulative, so every chart is different, you have to be used to with that specific asset, but it's universal, so I'm gonna use the same last fair value gap, everything. So you can see price came until here, I had the last fair value gap around that area, but market reached until this area, maybe above the mean threshold. That's what I need to be confirmed, that does it really want to go more above the mean threshold, my I mean body can close above the mean threshold or not in future. No, it can't close above the mean threshold, but in gold or forex, especially in forex, absolutely it can close above the mean threshold if it was forex. But for gold, I need to find out that first. So I'm just gonna learn with you guys at the same time, but I'm using the same ICT concept. And by the way, that is not my ICT concept. PS4, PSA4, A4 trading. That's not my ICT theory. That's all ICT's theory. Okay, Huddlestone's theory, not mine. I don't look buy until gold close 2375. 2375. Okay, so you are also looking for sell. I'm good to look for sell as well then. Buy from daily order block or sell side liquidity around 2330. 2330. It's been a long. It's near about 2330. Where is it? I guess it's here somewhere. It's too long. I mean, lot of space over there. So far, I have seen that market has taken all of this sell side liquidity. All of this sell side liquidity has taken already. Okay. So far, I'm just seeing like that way. Same as gold, 15-minute chart, then or 5-minute engulfing and order blocks. I don't believe in engulfing. Order block is cool. ICT follow forex.com for gold. Yeah, that's why I have started with forex.com. Okay, I started with forex.com, but as a lot of you asked for this chart, gold futures, I came here. I don't know ICT look forex.com for gold or not, but for uh, forex market, yeah, he used forex.com. No other chart, just forex.com. Brother, gold easy. If dollar up, sell gold and close your eyes. Okay, dollar is falling. So should I close my eyes and take buy? You can see dollar is falling. Here, this is the dollar chart. Market went higher. Take the liquidity. This is the last parabolic from 15-minute chart. Then boom. So should I take buy? Jilly, May is down. ICT says 160 pips. Okay. So I'm not looking sell as well. Yeah, I'm also not looking for sell. I will just wait. Here so far I don't see anything so that I can frame any trade or something. No, I don't see anything yet. Until this parabolic gap is not broken, I don't see anything. This is the extremely last parabolic gap. If it is broken, then maybe I can look for a sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested to look for a sell. As far as I know, there was no rate cut, so fundamentally gold is still bullish. I think I'm not sure. Thought I'm also bullish because of this order block. See, this is the line of order block from daily chart. Market trade this order block should go higher. So my expectation is gold will keep going higher. That's my expectation. But before that, I have this clean sell side liquidity around that area. So I can show it from here, I guess. Yeah. This low has taken by that low with a shallow down. So I have this obvious liquidity around that area. It can be taken before going higher. That is the only thing I'm just thinking. This sell side liquidity can be taken before going higher. Now I can't frame a sell setup over here because this high didn't take that high. So it didn't give me the market structure shift. Even it didn't give me show me the liquidity taken. So I just can't frame a sell setup. In my opinion, I'm waiting. Remember this low, if I see an displacement below this low, I will say this is the market structure shift toward this sell side liquidity. So far it went higher, take all of this buy side liquidity, I'm cool with that. If it can go through this low, I will be permanently bearish for dollar index. But if it do some kind of Mickey Mouse move and go below that low, that's not good. Okay, I need the displacement. So far I'm bearish in dollar index so far. Still I'm bearish. Let's see. And you can see after 2 p.m. From 3 p.m. 3 a.m. until now, there is nothing. Just a bad price action. There is nothing at all. So keep waiting. I think we should wait. DXY 1 hour is bullish. I don't think so. It's bullish from 1 hour chart. And I believe that I can see 50 people are watching, and at least 80% people are my subscriber and know me for a long time. Okay, as I started in my start, I told that this is the fourth day. I'm just looking the gold chart, so I'm not so much confident. And to be honest, I just can't say like it is going over there for sure. Something that I can't do that. What I actually do, I usually do in Nasdaq, but that I am unable to do over here. Still, this chart is very new to me, so I need little more time. I hope at least 1 2 week will be okay for understanding the price action in dollar index. Sorry, in gold. Yeah, dollar is extremely bearish for me, so it should keep going higher. By the way, we will see. Guys, one guy actually asked me about the silver. How can I? By the way, look at this Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just going up because dollar is bearish. Bitcoin is boom. This is called low resistance liquidity run. Okay, but dollar is actually struggling. Let me check what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq is also confused what it should do. But if I were here, I would say it has traded this parabolic gap. It should keep going higher now. So not a good price action. No, nothing. Just simply nothing. This buy side should be taken. I am going back. Okay, I'm just going back to gold. Don't worry. I was just watching what is this guy doing. Okay, guys. What was that market? You ask like silver. How can I search the silver? SILVER. Is that silver? This one? Uh, Silver future MCX. Is that silver? Well, if I look at this one, if this is the silver chart, It's a clean buy, just clean buy. SL, SI. Oh, okay, SI or SL. I guess SI. Silver future over here. Yep. So far it's a clean buy for silver. Market went lower, take the liquidity. Right now market is trading through this gap. Little volatile, but still it is trading this gap. Now it is broken, I guess, over there. Uh, it has traded this parabolic gap. Perfect. Dollar was falling. This guy is also falling. I have no idea what should I do except waiting. I just can't frame a sell setup. The reason is I have still this last Favluka from 1 minute chart that can stop the price, send back for the buy side liquidity as dollar is falling. So it can do that. I just don't want to take risk. If this one is broken, then I will be able to frame a sell setup, I guess. So it's not going to be a huge run until here. I'll be able to frame this trade if this one is broken. So you know how to use this last parallel gap. I will use this last parallel gap this way. I mean something like that. If it happened, okay. Here, I'm going to use this parallel gap, not that one. Because if I take the sell from this one, the same logic if I use over there, my range is over here. So here to here, a very small range, and my stop loss has to be above this parabolic gap. Still it's more risky to me. Dollar index was falling, I just couldn't go for that sell. Simple. I have a lot of buy side liquidity. This is the last parabolic gap. If it fails, maybe after that I can frame a sell setup until this sell side liquidity, if this parabolic gap fail to hold the price. If you remember last time I have outlined this type of setup and I told that if the last fair value gap is broken and then market make another fair value gap, don't expect that market will reach until this area. Don't expect that. Most of the time market doesn't reach until that area. Instead of that, market just trade the new fair value gap and fall. So from here to here, see this fair value gap, it can be traded and then market can fall. It doesn't need to trade the last fair value gap. So that is that fair value gap. I just covered this fair value gap over there. I don't know it will work or not. As per Nasdaq, it should work. There was some news on Euro, Sun, that's why DX was moving, and we have another at 4. I don't know if it has any effect. I also don't know. Now make it 1:1.5. If market fail to close below this low, I'm in a great danger. I mean just sweep, okay? Market just go below that low, closed above this low, then I'm in a great danger. But if it close below this low, I'll be in heaven because I will start to believe that okay, market is easily coming until that area. Here I'll put my stop loss over there. Just want to see body close below this low. That's my expectation right now. Well, so far I'm in a gear danger, but let's see. It can try one more time. Just need to see a body close. If it doesn't close below the body, I will go to the break even, I guess. Or I will just let 1.6 handle stop loss. Not a big deal. I mean, even it is a one lot, I guess $160 only. So $160 loss is nothing, in my opinion. By the way, if you remember, well, last time when I outlined this trade, I told that this last parabolic gap, when it will be broken, I will take sell. But if after broken this last parabolic gap, if market make another parabolic gap, don't wait to trade this last parabolic gap. Most of the time market doesn't trade this last parabolic gap, and you can see it didn't tap to this last parabolic gap over here. I see it just tapped to the 50% of this parabolic gap and then fall. So don't just wait to trade this parabolic gap. Instead of that, take your entry when it will tap to this parabolic gap. Okay, this is called chasing the price. No man, it's not called chasing the price, it's a logical entry. But the problem is over here, uh, the stop loss is small. It's not a high probability, so you can see market is just failing to close below this low. It's not a good sign. I just can't put my stop loss to the break even, but what I can do, I can put it little lower. I mean, here I can put it just above the consequent crossment of that last parabolic gap. Why I can put it to the break even? The reason is, see this order block, market didn't trade those order blocks, so it can go back again to trade that order block. It can do that. So in that type of situation, I'll be stopped out. I don't want to be stopped out prematurely. Instead of that, I will love to take $130 loss. If it was a uh, one lot entry, then it could be just $130 loss. Okay, so it's not a huge loss. I would love to sacrifice that 130 loss for 380. Okay, so we'll make sure 400. So yeah, so for $400 profit, I would love to take risk $130 loss. Now this low is no more important. This low is important now. Market has to close below this low, because this is the shallow run, which is called the obvious liquidity. So market has to close below this liquidity. If it can close below this liquidity, I'm good with that. Still now dollar index is falling, so both of them are at the same direction. So we are maybe we are watching the high resistance liquidity run. Okay, so dollar is also falling, this guy is also falling, so that's why we are seeing this high resistance liquidity run, not a clean move. It is struggling to fall for this sell side liquidity, but it is facing the difficulties. The reason is dollar is also falling. Okay, so yeah, just look from any other time frame, it is also falling. Dollar is also falling, and this guy is also falling. Well, this guy is also falling. Okay, that is why we are seeing this high resistance liquidity run. Otherwise I believe that it could fall more dramatically. It could fall like with force. Now it's not absolutely good. If it can close, it failed to close below this low, it's not a good sign at all. I'll put my stop loss to the break even. I will sacrifice this word. Okay, just remember my stop loss is at the break even, because it has taken the liquidity. It didn't close below this line. Instead of that, it has just taken the liquidity. What it can do, it can come back again to this bearish parabolic gap from 15-minute chart. Then it can go for this sell side liquidity. So I don't want to take a loss. So I would put my stop loss to the break even. Right now my stop loss is at the break even. Keep that in your mind. I put it over here, but my stop loss is at the break even. If it can reach until the break even, I'll be stopped out to the break even. I know it is a high resistance liquidity run, but I have nothing to do. Okay, because market is not give me the precision, and I really don't know I should follow it or not. But it was Nasdaq. If I see this, I would obviously put my stop loss to the break even. I don't care about this order block anymore. The reason is market is just taking the liquidity and it's not good at all. So maybe I won't be able to write down boom by this trade, but eventually it will go for this sell side liquidity. That's my belief. It can go for this by order block, or what can I do? I can actually put my stop loss above that high, so just $60 stop loss. I just can do that. Okay, if I get a hit, I will take a $60 loss. I guess that's the best idea. Yeah, I will go for that. So this is my stop loss right now. If it hit my stop loss, I'll be stopped out with $60 loss. I'm sorry, I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss, but yeah, I do that. Brother told you close your eyes and sell. No one, no one listened to me. Have no money, but I have this. I'm sorry, brother. I should have listened to you. Brother, can you explain BPR for me? I have already made a video to my YouTube channel about the BPR. It's the extreme explanation over there. Please, can you watch that video? You will get that to the study folder. Okay, at the end of the study folder you will find the video, and it's balanced price range BPR. And PMI news, when is the PMI news? High resistance, yeah, it's high resistance liquidity run. Brother, high resistance liquidity run is different. When dollar is falling, this guy is falling, you will see the high resistance liquidity run. It's not for news, it's not for anything else. When both of the market is at the same direction, you will see the high resistance liquidity run. That's all about the high resistance liquidity run and the low resistance liquidity run. If dollar index was going higher and it was going to fall, you will see that low resistance liquidity run. It can happen for anything. Okay, just to understand that dollar is falling, see, dollar is just falling, and this guy is also falling, so it is called high resistance liquidity run. That's all. News on 2 minutes, let's say around 4, get stopped out or not, or can I write down boom? Come back again for trading this order block. Okay, I was really curious to see that if it can reach until the order block or not. It reached until the order block. Now my stop loss will be break even. Just keep that in your mind. My stop loss is at the break even. If I get stopped out, I mean, if it can reach until that opening, I mean entry, I will be stopped out. If it can reach until the entry of my trade, I will be stopped out, because I was curious if it can reach until the order block or not. So it has reached until the order block. It doesn't need to go back again over there. So now my stop loss is over here. Let me mark it. This is my stop loss. Okay, if this market reach until this line, I'll be stopped out. This line is my stop loss. First, let's put it to the break even. It's better to put it to the break even. So it doesn't need to come back again until this order block. It doesn't need to come back. But still. Believe me or not, this is going to be taken. That's for sure. But before that, maybe I will be stopped out. But this line is going to be taken. 2356.8. With confident, I'm telling you that it's going to be taken. I can be stopped out before that, but it has to be taken. Because before taking this line, market can reach until this bearish parabolic gap from 15-minute chart. See this is a bearish parabolic gap. It can reach until that bearish parabolic gap before taking that low. It can happen. That's why I moved my stop loss. As market has already traded that order block, it doesn't need to go back again to this order block for retesting. It should take some liquidity first. Even if it wants to trade this order block one more time, it has to take some liquidity first. And here I have only this liquidity, this sell side liquidity. That is the only liquidity I have in my chart. So it should take this liquidity before coming back again until this order block or that parabolic gap. Sorry, not parabolic gap, the order block. It can. That's the opinion of on me. If I get stopped out, I am not going to lose anything, and this is not a good price action in my opinion. I couldn't take the sell. The same theory over here, okay? The same theory, I took the sell over here. I could take the sell over there, but the reason was this parabolic gap. As I had this last parabolic gap, it could easily stop the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. So I wasn't able to press my button over there. Instead of that, I pushed my button over here, depending on that sell side liquidity. I'm trailing my stop loss too fast, but yeah, I will keep this thing over here in my chart even if I get stopped out. To confirm that, did I do wrong something? I mean, my trailing stop loss punished me one more time, or it was a great decision? Just to justify that, I'll keep that in my mind, in my chart, okay? But trust me, this is going to be taken. Remember 2356.8. I will tweet that. If it doesn't take it right now, I will tweet that in my Twitter. It's taken. Dollar is falling. This guy is also falling. We are seeing low resistance liquidity run. Well, I can cover the 50% of that week. And here I don't get any profit, I guess. So make it to the break even. Exactly to the break even. That's a good idea. I'm moving my stop loss too fast. The reason is, I mean, just moving here and there. The reason is I'm really unknown with this chart, this gold chart. So I'm seeing a lot of things over here right now. For example, this relatively equal highs and the 50% of that week. I was also looking for that. So it can take this relatively equal highs and then it can fall. That's why I moved my stop loss again to the break even. But If you think this is trailing stop loss too fast, you don't need to do that, but I am okay with that. Still, it didn't hit my target. I mean stop loss. Now I got stopped out. Here I got stopped out now to the break even. So I got stopped out, but I will keep this thing the way I actually took at first. Here I'll keep it like that way, and I would love to see my trailing stop loss punished me or not. Good likes the level 20, 50, 80, 80, 00. Oh, okay. Bro, what do you do for living? I do sleep, man. I do sleep for living. Right now I'm in Bangladesh, and to be honest, my father left enough property for me for living. So I don't need to do anything right now, but I actually live in Portugal. When I'll be in Portugal, I will start to do a job. Now I don't live by trading. I used to live by trading. It's long before, okay? I used to live in depending on trading. In that type of this I mean time, in those time we don't have the top step X. We had FTMO and my forex fund. So I used to earn money from those prop firm. It's been a long I don't use the trading money. Okay, there's some reason, actually personal reason. That's why I don't use the trading money. When I'll be in Portugal, I will start to find a job, and if I get a job, I will live by that job. At the same time, maybe I will find out some other way for living, because Portugal is not a good place to do job, long time job, and I won't be able to come here every day maybe for live streaming. Maybe I will manage 1 or 2 days in a week. We will see. So far, it's not a good price action after after that fall. After that fall, but this sell side liquidity will be taken. Believe me or not, it's going to be taken. I kept that in my chart still to see, only to see my trailing stop loss punished me one more time, or I got benefited by putting I mean my trailing my stop loss. That's why I kept it over there. Okay, so I'm already stopped out over here to the break even. Though I believe it will go for this sell side liquidity, but I had no choice except putting my stop loss to the break even. So I got stopped out to the break even. That's all. Soon, Aman, brother, I told that it's a personal issue, brother. It's a religious issue. I don't want to talk about that controversial issue, okay? It's just a personal issue. There's nothing wrong with trading. I just don't want to. Okay, that's all. Okay, my trailing stop loss punished me. I think so. Yeah, I believe that my trailing stop loss punished me one more time. It's okay. It's okay. Time for boom, guys. Time for boom. Get ready for the boom. That's my expectation. Okay, that was my expectation, that it should be unfilled. When it is unfilled, I would see some kind of expansion. When it is not unfilled, that instead of that, market has perfectly closed this fair value gap. My expectation didn't work, so I am unable to frame another trade. That's all. Whenever you have time later, can you analyze where ES may go? Game same as you did with NQ. Yes. Jack, remind me to the M session, okay? I will do that. Don't worry. I will do that. But remind me that to the AM session. Not in gold. I'm struggling with this gold guy. Why it is just punching me every single day? How long it will take to get this thing? The main problem is I'm not studying this chart after outside of this 2 or 2 hours. Okay, I really don't open the gold chart. I think I have to spend some times with gold chart, but I don't have the time to do that. Guys, you guys are getting bored because it's not precised. Please don't get bored. Okay, give me some more time. I'll be the wizard of this market as well. Just give me some more times. I will start to say this thing is going to be taken. Believe me, I mean, it is going to happen. Okay, something like that. I will is to, I mean, I will start to talk like that way. Just give me some more time. Just let me find out what it is want to do. What is the level and why it should go over there. For example, you say this area market to retest the order block. It should not retest the order block before taking this low, at least this low. But it has done that, and I got stopped out over there only because of that line. See, just tick by tick. So I need to be sure what I have to do with this type of situation. This is a 4-hour order block. I don't care about the your 4-hour order block. It is going to be taken, that's for sure. 2356.8. Just keep that in your mind. Even if it doesn't take it within 40 minutes, sorry, 45 minutes. Even if it doesn't take it within 45 minutes, it's going to be taken by anyhow. Everything can be chased, but this should be taken. That's my experience. That's my knowledge about the price. That's that. Okay, my knowledge is telling me that it should be taken. This sell side liquidity, this level should be taken. Why I'm so confident? Just look over here. This is the obvious liquidity. Market came to this liquidity one more time. It's trying to take that liquidity. One, two. Now this is the third candle, which is going to, this candle should be should taken this sell side liquidity. This 15-minute candle, it should take this liquidity. If it fails, then it will trade this bearish parallel gap. If it left it open like that way, then when it will be here in this bearish parallel gap, I will start to frame another sell setup with confident that market is going to take this sell side liquidity. But if this candle has taken, there is 99% possibility this candle will take this sell side liquidity. 99% possibility. If it has taken this sell side liquidity, I have nothing to do. I'll just watch. I have nothing to do. All I need, I mean, it is going to be taken, but before that, I guess, okay, there is another 15-minute fair value gap. See here, it can tap to this 15-minute fair value gap as well. It can do that as well. But really, if you ask me, I don't want to see it will go any of this level. Before taking that sell side liquidity, market should not go any of this level. That's my expectation only, okay? Don't get me wrong. My expectation, my price action reading experience tell me that market should not reach any of this level. So that level, that both fair value gap should be unfilled, but it can obviously do that. At least the lower fair value gap can be traded. Anything can happen, but either way market is going to take that line. 2356.8, just keep that in your mind. Wizard has marked something from a gold chart that should be real. Believe in Wizard, okay? Believe in him. Obviously believe in you. That's the first job. You have to believe in yourself. If you are looking for buy now, don't give a shit to the Wizard. Just don't give him a shit. If you are looking for buy, frame your buy trade. Even if you are wrong, be happy because you depend on your analysis, not some kind of random guy. I did it. Okay, I did it. When I started to learn this concept, trust me, I started to compete with ICT. Sometimes ICT look for buy at the same level. I was thinking that market is going lower, depending on my knowledge or on my price action experience, whatever it is. And later I was wrong. ICT was right most of the time. Okay, he is right, but I was feeling so good because I depend on my analysis, not even ICT's analysis. In 2023, ICT was live almost every day. Okay, almost every day he was live. I'm talking around that area. So I was very happy to be wrong because I depend on my analysis. I didn't give a shit to ICT. Even I have learned this concept from him. So same way, if you are with me, don't give me a shit. I'm looking for sell, but you are thinking market will go higher. Depend on your analysis. Maybe you will be right, maybe you will be wrong. Either way, you will be happy. If you are right, you are absolutely right. Come back to me and tell me, brother, I told you that market is going higher. Just for example, okay, market is going higher. Just come back to me and tell me that. I'll be very happy. If you're wrong, be happy because you are you depend on your analysis, not mine. They produce more and more liquidity to knock it out later. Nasdaq will see equal and immediately goes for it. Okay, that was new for me. Uh, okay, thanks for that advice. 777. Thank you, brother. And gold often produce several times the liquidity 3, 4, 5 lows. People do not close positions because they are waiting for the liquidity breakout and it is broken later. Okay, I didn't know that. Thanks for that advice, brother. Then I take back all my word. Okay, it is going to take that liquidity. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, if dollar index is going to work in a different way, then I am sorry. Can you see until now nobody closed below that line? I mean, bodies are refusing to close below this line. It's not a good sign. Either way, market is going for that sell side liquidity, but still nobody is able to close every single time. Now I have new low. See this new low. Still nobody close below the lows. Okay, it's not good sign. I will get confirmation when this low happen. Sorry, start from here. this low happened, body didn't close, then made this low, body didn't close, then made this low, body didn't close, this low, here body didn't close, just a week. It's not a good sign. By the way, thank you 777 for that advice, brother. I'll keep that in my mind. Okay, please, are you saying gold down? Yeah, I was thinking like that way. Gold is down until this sell side liquidity, this level 2356.8. Until that area gold was down in my opinion, but before that it can trade this fair value gap from 15 minute chart. Here is a fair value gap, though I don't want to see that, but it can trade until this fair value gap or this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Any of these fair value gap can be traded before falling. If it happens, I will be able to frame another sell setup. If it doesn't take the sell side liquidity, instead of that it went higher and trade any of this bearish fair value gap, then give me any other lower market structure shift, yeah, I will go for the sell again and I will target the same sell side liquidity again. Simple. Okay, oh, how beautiful the clean chart is. See this bearish plug, a very nice bearish plug. It's a very nice bearish plug. As I told, gold is going to fall. High resistance liquidity run. Did you see the high resistance liquidity run? Gold is falling for this sell side liquidity. Gold is falling for this sell side liquidity. They are also falling for the sell side liquidity. What a nice high resistance liquidity run over here. Hi brother, just joined again. Welcome back brother, welcome back. Dun, 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 dun. By the way, even if this type of condition, I got 5 subscribers. Whoever subscribe to my channel, welcome to my channel. Okay, the 5 guys who subscribe to my channel, welcome to my channel. It's not my channel, it's your channel actually. It's your channel, not mine. UK PMI in 5 minutes, don't know if it has an effect. Let's see brother. Let's see. Thank you so much whoever actually subscribed to my channel. Yesterday I just touched 5800, and yeah, it's a great achievement for me. For me, a little guy like me, 5800 subscriber. Oh man, it's kind of a dream. Nice consolidation, and my expectation is something like that. Boom, 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 boom. This is my expectation so far. So bearish plug, the retail trader, they will start to think, okay, now market is falling, they will start to take sell, then market will go higher, stop them out, go little lower, to think that market is falling again, they will take sell again, and then boom. This is my expectation. Hey Patil, how are you, brother? So I guess around 4:30 we have the PMI, UK PMI. Let's see if we can get any volatility around that area or not. As per Jack Chi, I didn't know that, but as Jack told, we will see if we can have any kind of reaction around that time. So far it's just a pure consolidation, just a pure consolidation. Guys, can you push the like button? I mean, can you make it 50 likes? 60 people are watching, 27 likes, sorry, 26 likes. Did you forget to give me the like? I need the like, please. Push the like button, brother. Trust me, your wizard is not going to be wrong. It's going to be taken, okay? And I believe that this setup will work, and I will be able to write boom by this setup, okay? So give me some likes, please. I'll tell you that I'm very grateful to you for showing me the first fair value gap, last fair value gap, and entry fair value gap. I have been profiting for 2 years, but this month I broke my record of 22k profit and 3 challenge done. Oh my goodness! Congratulations, brother. 777. Congratulations, brother.